Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 25 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a piece of furniture. I've got this lady sitting in this chair. A doodle. I will take care of that later. Something that makes sound and a pattern. And I'm going with music notes. In a pattern, when it's played, it makes a sound. An eating utensil. I've got these stickers of silverware. A list. I've got this table of contents that's got the chapters, the pages listed. And the bonus is an illustration, and I've got this illustration here. So I hope y'all are all doing great, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023cwp25 to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. Number 25. I've got my piece of furniture. I've got my doodles, something that makes a sound, my musical notes. It makes a sound and a pattern. An eating utensil, I've got my fork, knife, and spoon. A list, I've got my table of contents, my contents, and bonus and illustration. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023cwp25. Bye, y'all.